Hey, Bookies! I cannot believe that we are already at 500 subscribers. I am so happy. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. But if you're new to my channel, my name is Veronica Olunde. Click the subscribe button down below to be part of my family and most importantly, be part of my growth. In today's video, we're going to be discussing 6 things that I do in order to look and feel put together and to look and feel expensive. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing I want you to know is that being ugly is a choice. I say this because whichever way you leave your house, it is a conscious decision of yours. Whether you choose to leave your house looking put together or you chose to leave your house looking tacky, looking a mess, it is a choice that you made. And that is why I said being ugly is a choice. You probably left your out not caring how you look because maybe to you looks aren't important. But in the society that we're in, with the kind of beauty standards out there, see, looks are important. You have to put conscious efforts to looking good every day, every single day. And then when you go out not looking put together and you see them giving somebody that you may actually be a lot more prettier than pretty privileged, you'll be wondering why. It is because this person prioritizes looking good. And that is why they are getting the benefits that you're not getting. Or maybe you actually care about how you look and you actually want to start looking put together, but you don't know how to start. I see that's why you clicked on this video, right? So let's discuss 6 things that I like to do on a budget in order to look put together and in order to look and feel expensive. Number 1 on my list is create time. Like it or not, as ladies, getting ready to go for an event, to go to work, or even to do so little as running an errand takes time. There's always a lot to do, especially for the 9 to 5 girlies. I am one of you guys, especially for the 9 to 5 girlies and for moms, working moms. See, as long as you're a female, getting ready takes time. Start creating time for your physical appearance, especially if you're a 9 to 5 girl that needs to resume work from as early as 9 a.m., 8 a.m., 10 a.m. Start getting ready 2 hours before your resumption time. Now, this gives you enough time to prepare physically and mentally for your day. As individuals, we create time for what and who is important to us. So if looking put together is important to you and you are important to you, you will create time. The second low budget thing that I like to do in order to look and feel put together is I prepare my feet a day before or a night before. Especially if you're in this part of the world where I am, where light is not stable, you will learn to iron your outfit a day before and even straighten your wig if it needs to be straightened a day before. By prepping your outfit a day before, it gives you time, especially when you're ironing, to look out for stains if there are any on the clothes and you can easily correct. If the fitting isn't as great as it is supposed to be, then you have the time to change the outfit to something else. And you also get the chance to wear the outfit because most times the idea of the outfit that we have in our head doesn't go well when we wear it physically, right? So when you do that a day before, it saves you time the next day of the actual event or the next day of work. Okay, if the outfit isn't going to go as planned, you have the time to change it. If it has stains, you have the time to wash it out or get the stains off. If the fitting isn't that great, you have the time to adjust it. So doing everything that regarding your outfit a day before saves you time in order to put in more effort into your physical appearance. Now for your wigs, if it's a bob wig, a frontal wig, or a watercolors wig, prepping it a day before the actual event or a day before work gives you time to focus on other important things. It helps you to focus more on your makeup, skincare, or every other thing that are important to you, and it would also help you to arrive punctual to wherever it is that you're going to. Another low budget thing that you can do in order to look and feel put together is pay attention to your face and to your skin in general. Now for your face, I would advise that you learn how to carve your brows and also tint them. Because keeping your eyebrows in good shape just as a way of lifting your face. What I like to do is apply relaxer on my eyebrows once in every 2 months before carving them. By doing this, it helps to keep them soft and in place, and it also gives them like a good shape, especially when I carve them. And then I also apply hair dye whenever I want to tint them. This would help those who do not have full eyebrows, because carving and tinting your eyebrows would give the illusion of a fuller brow. Now, I also would advise that you invest in cluster lashes, because having lashes on along with a good carved eyebrows, oh my god, would elevate your look even when you do not have makeup on. Now, I say cluster lashes because we're on a budget. Nobody has the money to be going to get lash extension every 2 weeks. I know. So get cluster lashes because they're a lot cheaper, and they also last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, depending on how good the glue is and how good your maintenance is. Now, this tip is especially good for my girlies who do not like to wear makeup or who are still in the process of learning how to do their own makeup. Always keep your brows carved and in good shape. Invest in cluster lashes, and if you have fuller lashes, like naturally full lashes, just invest in a good mascara. Now for your overall skin, moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. Use a good body lotion and a good body oil. The key to looking put together most of the time is to always have a glowy skin. Use sunscreen for your face and for your neck, and use a nice glowy oil for your skin in general, especially when you want to show some legs, some arms, some chest area. Use a good glowy body oil. And also, don't forget to wear lip gloss. Whether or not you have makeup on, lip gloss should be your best friend. Like in this video now, I have no makeup except my lips. My brows are in check. I have cluster lashes, and I apply a bit of Vaseline on my face to give my face glow. Do you get? And now you cannot even tell because I am glowing. I am looking good. So that's my tip for you guys. For my girlies who do not like to wear makeup, your brows, your eyes, your lips, and a glowy skin will get you all the way. Now, my next tip is invest in non-tarnish jewelries. Accessorize, accessorize, accessorize. For jewelries, it must not necessarily be gold. But if you can afford real gold, my darling, do your thing. But if you're like me, who cannot afford them yet, I would advise that you invest in stainless steel jewelries, because stainless steel jewelries actually last long with maintenance. They're like, I think they're like next to gold or something. Correct me if I'm wrong, but they last long. My necklace, my rings, they are stainless steel. They're not real gold, but I've been rocking them for quite a while now. This is me saying do not downplay the power or the role of accessories when it comes to your outfit. A little dainty necklace can go a long way. Earrings, rings, they add a lot of zazz to your outfit. Now, the key is to know what suits your skin tone. If it is gold, if it is silver, or if you can do both, just know what suits your skin tone. I believe the people with warm undertone like me do a lot more with gold. People with cool undertone do a lot more with silver jewelries, and people with neutral undertone can rock gold, can rock silver jewelries. So know your undertone and know what suits you when it comes to accessories. And accessories are not just jewelries. They are also bags, belts, hats, sunglasses. Just know what your outfit needs and accessorize appropriately, because moderation is key. And lastly, on my list of low budget things that I do in order to look and feel put together and in order to look and feel expensive is avoid toxic men. Avoid toxic men and toxic environment. Just avoid anything that is draining your energy, that is draining your glow, that is draining your joy. Anything that takes away positivity out of your life, avoid it. And if you are the toxic one, work on yourself. Work properly on yourself, because toxicity drains the life, drains the glow, drains the positivity out of your life. I have never seen anyone that flourishes or that thrives in a toxic environment. So if you realize that your relationship is toxic, just avoid it. In fact,
Run away.
run away.
Run
Run
away.
away. Now that being said, we have come to the end of today's video, and I hope I have been able to convince you that you do not need so much money in order to always look put together. So if you find the video interesting, give it a thumbs up. You know how we do. Leave a comment in the comment section. And if you're still yet to subscribe to my channel, if I catch you, click the subscribe button. Kindly subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye.